So today we're studying vocabulary, okay? And you know that I have this way of studying that I want you to do because it's the best way you can learn vocabulary, okay? So apply it to when you're studying, to your notes, how you take notes, and do it like I'd say, because it's going to blow your mind, as I always say. So today I wanted to explain something about you will read. So instead of going with you will read, okay, in general, just choose one word, okay? We choose the word and we put it in the middle, remember. And then we branch it out. So we are choosing anillo, okay, ring. So el anillo masculine, okay? And then we say, how can we describe this ring? ¿Cómo puedo describir este anillo? And you know that you have to do this in your own language, okay? So you start writing down all the things you think about that word, the things to describe it, maybe if it has like different types, okay? The verbs also, okay? And then you make sentences out of it, okay? So, for anillo, we have talla grande, talla pequeña. So we have the size. It can be big or small, okay? It can be a simple one or it can be like full of things. So sencillo is simple. It can have a heart-shaped one. Those are my favorites. So with a heart shape, okay, con forma de corazón, negro, azul, you can add color there, okay? And also you can say if you like it, if you don't like it. So I just put some things there, but you can add as many as you want or as little as you want. Remember, don't get overwhelmed. Just learning one word, and with that word, a little, on each side, you'll get, wow, so much out of one word, okay? So remember, do it in your language and then you can translate it, okay? I can help you with that too. And also, I would recommend you doing like handwritten it, because when you put like, pen to paper and you write it down, it will stick in your memory. So it's better. So we have just studied anillo, okay, with all the characteristics like talla grande, the size and everything. What else can we learn about this word, anillo? We can say the material, okay, so we can have it de plata, okay, de plata is silver. Oro, okay, gold, okay, oro rosado, I love that one, it's the golden rose ones, okay. Brillantes, diamonds, okay. Then you have verbs, okay, so we have comprar, we can buy a ring, regalar, someone can give us a ring, okay. What else? We can put a ring, okay. Ponerse, okay. We can heredar a ring, heredar in the sense of if your mom or your grandma passes the ring to you, it's like heritage is from them, okay. And you can also clean your ring. So whatever verb comes to your mind when you think about using a word, you write it down, okay? In my case, I was thinking anillo, and I can comprar, regalar, okay? And then what else? Normally we can do 3 and then make sentences, but in this case we can say de compromiso, because there are different rings, okay? There are the compromiso is an engagement ring, okay? And we have the bodas, okay? Wedding ring, and solitario, I think it's the same word, it's like this little beautiful one with only a diamond, okay? So, as always, I explained the whole to teach you how to do it, how to learn your vocabulary. You can do it with any word you want to. Remember, don't go too broad, just focus down, okay? And choose one word and start branching it out. Okay, so I've done this one to make you understand the whole, but obviously you can go little by little and saying de oro rosa, golden, de oro, gold, de plata, silver. So this is the same thing I've already told you. De brillantes, diamond, de compromiso, engagement, de bodas, wedding ring, okay? And then if you can add like an image to it, you will remember even better, okay? So that's what I always like doodle and love doing those things because they stick to your memory. I always do that when I teach, and it gets so much, you can remember it because you can recall it with a picture. Okay, next one. Same thing, talla grande, pequeña, big and small, sencillo, simple, okay, en forma de corazón, heart-shaped, and the color, it can be in black, blue, Thank you for the hearts. I'm seeing all of them. Thank you so much. Okay, what else can we learn? We're talking about verbs, remember. Remember the first chart we did here? Okay, so we were here. Verbs, okay, so verbs. Comprar, to buy, okay. For example, me he comprado un anillo precioso. I've bought a beautiful ring, okay. Regalar. Le regaló un anillo a su novia, okay? He gave a ring to his girlfriend, okay? Ponerse, okay, you put ring on, okay? Se puso el anillo en cuanto se lo regalé, okay? She put the ring on as soon as I gave it to her. And then limpiar, okay? Limpiaron toda la bisutería. What's bisutería? Bisutería is jewelry, but the cheaper one, you know, the one that it's not so expensive. Okay, so are you noticing the many words we are learning with just one, okay, with anillo? Thank you so much. Okay, so are we ready to practice? You know that when we study vocabulary, I want you to know how to do it by yourself, okay, so that you can start learning and practicing. Okay, heredar. I know, heredar, I explained it before. Heredar is when you inherit, like not inherit, but you know that maybe the ring of your mother or your grandmother and they give it to you. Okay, so that's for you and it's like heredado. We can say heredado el anillo, okay? Muy bien. So, let's practice, okay? So, quiero que mi novio, thank you for the hearts. Quiero que mi novio me un anillo por San Valentín. So what would you say here? I want my boyfriend to a ring for Valentine's Day. So what would you say here? Thank you for the hearts. Quiero que mi novio, remember. Yo quiero que mi novio, so we have to use subjunctive. Que él me regale. Quiero que mi novio me regale. Okay, we have to use subjunctive. Quiero que mi novio me regale. Remember, I want him. So two different subjects. I want him to do something for me. That was subjunctive, okay? Que mi novio me regale without an accent mark, okay? It's present. I want him to, okay? Yay, perfect. Okay, next one. Yay, next one. So, este anillo no me vale. Es muy... So, this ring doesn't fit me. It's very... You can say whatever you want here. Es muy... Well, two. I'm thinking of two, really. Besides, you know, subjuntivo, we have practiced it, but we will practice it more. Don't worry. Muy bien, este anillo no me vale, es muy pequeño. Or, este anillo no me vale, es muy grande. Okay, no me vale has to be or pequeño or grande. Because that means it doesn't suit me, it doesn't fit me, I mean, okay? Es muy feo. No, but we wouldn't say feo, okay, or caro, because it's no me vale is that I can't like put it on. Maybe it's too loose, too tight, okay? No me vale, valerme, it's the same thing for clothes, so valerme la ropa, esta camiseta no me vale, okay? Oh, it doesn't fit me, it's too loose or it's too tight, okay? Great, next one. ¿El anillo que te gusta es de plata o es de... What would you say there? El anillo, so the ring that you like, is it silver or... And then you can choose a material. What material do you want to put there? ¿El anillo que te gusta es de plata o de oro? Muy bien. Muy bien. Perfecto. We can say that. We can say oro rosado. Ok, muy bien. Sí, sí, perfecto. Muy bien todos. Muy bien. Okay, great job. So let's go to our next one. Este anillo me gusta mucho. What would you say there? De plástico. You're so funny. Thank you for the heart. So, este anillo me gusta mucho. What would you say that? What? Let's see. What? Write it down. So, So you're asking someone, okay? So it has to be well, we can say that. I wasn't thinking about regalaste, but yeah, you can say that me regalaste este anillo, although it wouldn't sound right with that because it would be like, did you buy this for me? I really like it, so me compraste, o no, me compraste, no me compras. I get confused. Me compras este anillo, me gusta mucho. So, would can you buy this ring for me? I love it. Me compras este anillo, me gusta mucho. Hi everyone. So, me compras este anillo, me gusta mucho, okay? Yes? Because if you say it in the past, it's like, oh, did you buy that for me? Like, you don't remember. So, we have to be polite, right? Muy bien. Me compras. Perfecto. Me compras este anillo, me gusta mucho. Would you buy that ring for me? Can you buy it? I love it. Muy bien. Okay. So, are you ready? This is our last one. Le pidió que se casara con él con un anillo precioso de... So, he asked her to marry him with a beautiful ring. What would you say? With a beautiful ring. Let me know. What do you think? Muy bien, Jennifer. Perfecto. Le pidió que se casara con él con un anillo precioso de brillantes. Okay, we have to put it in plural. Muy bien. Perfecto! Yay! You've done a great job. So, let's recap, okay? So we were talking about one word, remember. We've studied only one and then we've branched it out. So many words, so much to practice. You can even make your own sentences, okay? And then we practice. And remember, if you want the slides, you know that I put it every single video up on my YouTube channel, okay? And if you want the slides to go along with the video, look how many we have done. You have it all there from January to now, and it's the same thing, okay? I put what we did and the practice, okay? So if you want it, it's there. Could you have said the compromiso for the last question? Le pidió que se casara con él con un anillo precioso de compromiso. Perfect, Jennifer. Yes, you could say that. Muy bien. Muy bien. Sí, perfecto. So we can say, le pidió que se casara con él con un anillo precioso de brillantes or con un anillo precioso de compromiso. Muy bien. With a beautiful engagement ring. Perfect. Yay. Muy bien. Yay. Great, everyone. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. You always do such a great job. Muy bien. I'm super, super happy. Yes, I love being with you every single day here. And remember, 9 p.m. Central European Time. And we've got all February to go because we still have so many. Y de boda también. Con un anillo de bodas. I would say more de compromiso. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So yeah, we have all of this to go through. We still have many practice to do together. And if you need anything, just send me a DM, okay? Or get all your practice in the link in my bio. Thank you so much for being here with me. Y os mando un beso enorme. ¡Mua! Adiós, adiós a todos. Muchas gracias. Adiós, hasta mañana.